In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a PDF in Adobe Acrobat 2025. Cropping a PDF can be incredibly useful when you want to focus on a specific part of a document or ensure that the most relevant information is highlighted. Whether you're preparing a presentation, sharing materials, or just organizing your files, knowing how to crop effectively can save you time and make your documents appear more professional. Let's get started by opening your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. Take a moment to locate the file you want to work with on your computer and launch the Acrobat application. Once Acrobat is open, click on File in the top left corner and from the drop-down menu select Open. Navigate through your folders until you find your PDF and double click it to open. Now you should see your document displayed within Adobe Acrobat. Next, we need to head over to the editing section, look to the top left of your screen and click on Edit. This will bring up a variety of options that allow you to modify your document. For today's purpose, you will want to focus on the Modify Page section. Within this section, find and click on Crop Page. This is your key tool for focusing on a specific area of your PDF page. Now, with the crop function activated, you'll need to select the area of the document that you want to keep. Click and drag your mouse to draw a rectangle around the desired content. Imagine you're framing the part of the page you're most interested in. Don't worry if your selection isn't perfect at first. You can adjust the edges by clicking and dragging the boundary lines until the rectangle encapsulates exactly what you need. Once you're satisfied with the selection, double click inside the crop box. This will open a dialog box labeled Set Page Boxes. Here you'll need to make sure all the pages in your document are included in the cropping process. Look for the option labeled Page Range and select All. This ensures that every page is cropped in the same manner as the selection you outlined. Finally, after selecting the page range, click on OK to apply the changes to your document. Acrobat will process these instructions and your PDF will now display only the area you selected earlier. Take a minute to scroll through your PDF and verify that this change has been applied to all pages. And that's it. You've successfully cropped your PDF using Adobe Acrobat 2025. Practice a few times to become efficient and soon cropping will be second nature in your PDF editing skill set. Happy editing and see you in the next video.